Welcome to MotorMax. Today we're diving into the all-new 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy, a legendary cruiser that continues to turn heads and redefine American muscle motorcycles. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the Harley family, this 2025 edition brings fresh upgrades and timeless design. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Fatboy a true powerhouse on two wheels. Design and aesthetics, a modern classic. The 2025 Fatboy is a bold blend of Harley's iconic heritage and modern design innovation. Its aggressive stance is unmistakable, with the muscular frame and signature solid dissect wheels giving it an imposing presence on the road. The streamlined profile and beefy rear tire provide both style and stability, while the new matte and gloss paint options ensure you're cruising in style. This year, Harley introduces a more refined, yet still very much bold aesthetic to match its raw performance. Powertrain. The heart of the beast. Under the hood, the 2025 Fatboy is powered by the Milwaukee 8117V twin engine, offering a heart-pounding 125 lp-ft of torque. This powerhouse delivers unmatched acceleration and smooth power delivery, ensuring you'll dominate the streets with ease. Whether you're cruising down highways or weaving through city streets, the Fatboy's performance will leave you craving more. Comfort and ride. Built for the long haul. Harley Davidson's commitment to rider comfort is evident in the 2025 Fatboy. The adjustable suspension offers a smooth and controlled ride, allowing riders to fine-tune their setup to suit their preferences. The redesigned seat provides added support for long journeys, ensuring you remain comfortable even on extended rides. With a low center of gravity, the Fatboy offers superior handling, making it a joy to ride through both tight corners and wide-open stretches of road. Technology. A step into the future. The 2025 Fatboy isn't just about raw power, it's also packed with cutting-edge technology. The bike features a fully digital display, providing you with essential ride information at a glance. With Bluetooth integration and advanced ride modes, you can connect your devices and personalize your riding experience. Harley also introduces improved safety features, including cornering-enhanced ABS and traction control, to ensure you ride with confidence no matter the conditions. Conclusion. Why choose the 2025 Fatboy? The 2025 Harley Davidson Fatboy isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. With its combination of classic style, modern performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Fatboy remains one of the top choices for riders who crave power, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're hitting the open road or navigating through city streets, the 2025 Fatboy is ready to take you on your next adventure. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the latest bikes. Until next time, ride safe, ride bold, and keep it rolling with MotorMax.